How to restore chat history in Viber. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to restore chat history in Viber. If you want to go ahead and restore chat history in Viber, then you need to follow the steps. So what you need to do is open up a Viber application first of all. And next thing you could see is this is how it's going to look like. So here, press the more icon at the bottom of the page, click on the pencil shape, click on the settings button, and then you could go to accounts. Here you could go ahead and make sure to turn on your backup so that you could later on go ahead and restore your chats. Once you've actually backed up, then you need to go to the restore phase. As you can see that I've recently turned on my Viber backup and all that, so click on the OK button. Now you have to go ahead and make sure to include photos and videos as well. Once you have actually done it, so click on backup, and once the backup is completed, you could click on restore, and this is going to restore chat history. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.